Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a new thing coming to Enterprise starting this month, and it is starting to roll out for business users. We talked about it last year, and we talked about that eventually at some point it could come to even regular Windows users, and it's the auto patching of Windows updates. So what does that mean? It means that when you go to Windows Updates and you have updates that are ready, well, gone are the restarts, gone are the long downloads and installs that you might want to wait for. In the background, there will be updates installing, but they will, of course, once again, be installed quietly without any restarts. And the reason they can do that is the same type of core that ZeroPatch is using. ZeroPatch, a lot of you have been asking me, how can they patch Windows updates without having to restart or, like Windows updates do? Well, it's the way that the patch is installed. Instead of installing in the core of the user itself in the files, it also installs in the memory itself, the core memory itself. And that core memory, well, that's where it all happens. It lets the user, it lets the system just like patch everything as it's actually functional. And there's no need for a restart when you do that. So, of course, it's not yet on regular Windows systems. It's really being tested now through the enterprise versions. And at some point, I would guess it will reach consumer versions, but not for a while. It's still being pretty much in a test format for the time being. So eventually it will come, and Windows 11 will have these hot patches. Like I said, ZeroPatch uses that same type of update just by changing what's running in core memory, basically, as it's running. And, of course, changing the files so it's already up and running in the background without having to restart. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.